Welcome to 5G Hub. In this video, we will talk about the difference between 5G and Wi-Fi 6. For years, two different types of wireless technology have coexist. The first is Wi-Fi, the second is 5G and cellular network in general. So Wi-Fi is a type of local area network used for indoors, for example, inside a home or workplace. And second one is a cellular network, like the 5G network used by major operators, are a type of wide area network used both for indoors and outdoors, generally over long distances. So what is 5G? 5G network will provide 50x more speed and 10x less latency and around 1000x more capacity than 4G or LTE. This means 5G will be able to connect more devices and transmit more data than ever before. And that means delivering fast connectivity and enhanced user experience. As with LTE, mobile carriers will offer subscription to their 5G network, which require 5G capable devices. So the next, what is Wi-Fi 6? Wi-Fi 6 based on IEEE 802.11ax standard, and this will deliver around 4 times higher capacity and 75% lower latency, offering triple the speed of Wi-Fi 5, for example. So anyone can operate a Wi-Fi network, and most of us have one in our homes, offices, and also connected to broadband services. Wi-Fi devices require a Wi-Fi compliant access point to get the full speed, latency, and capacity improvements. So now, if we need to understand what is the difference between Wi-Fi 6 and 5G. First, because Wi-Fi has a lower cost to deploy, maintain, and scale, especially where access points need to serve more users, it will continue to be a dominant technology for home and business environments. This provides great support for a lot of data-hungry devices like PCs, tablets, smartphones, streaming devices, TV sets, and printers, which must all connect to the network. However, thanks to its longer range, 5G will be used for mobile connections like smartphones. It will also be used for connected cars, smart city deployments, and even for large manufacturer operations. And the second one, the two technologies already handle network management differently. Wi-Fi uses unlicensed spectrum, so you and your whole neighborhood can each have your own Wi-Fi network without getting a license to use it. However, this can mean your Wi-Fi performance is impacted by how many neighbors are using their network at the same time and on the same channel you are. When used in offices and other enterprise environments, Wi-Fi tended to heavily managed to meet a desired performance goal. However, for 5G, for example, and LTE networks, typically are managed by operators and use a dedicated license spectrum that requires subscription fees to access. As with LTE, 5G performance will depend on how many bars you have, in other words, how close you are to the base station and how many other people are using the network. And third one, because 5G offers such an high boost in performance, service providers can offer consumer another choice in bringing like broadband connectivity to the home, wireless broadband through 5G. In this area, 5G may compete with cable or fiber offering. So this is the main differences between Wi-Fi 6 and 5G. Ultimate goal of Wi-Fi 6 is to continue to serve the indoor enterprises, customer homes, and 5G will use it for like mobility scenarios and outdoor use cases, for example. But the questions now, How do 5G and Wi-Fi complement each other? So, for example, they can work together, yes or no? We can see that both Wi-Fi 6 and 5G are built from the same foundation and the same technology like OFDMA, multiple access. And they both provide higher data rates to support new application and increases in network capacity with ability to connect more user and devices. Also, they will coexist and work better together to support different use cases. For example, you can see Wi-Fi 6 is more appropriate for home, 5G for driving and need more mobility and outdoor coverage. Wi-Fi can use as the office, however, 5G will be outside. And for working remotely, you can mix between 5G and Wi-Fi. So both 5G and Wi-Fi bring a promise of better performance to consumers, mobile workers, and also organizations. So thank you for watching this video and see you in next video.